Your liver is a silent hero, working 24/7 to filter out toxins, burn off fat. But what if you could give it actually a boost just by eating the right foods? Today we are counting down 5 of the most powerful foods that science says can detox your liver, reduce fatty liver, and supercharge liver function. And the last one, you will love me for that. And stick around, guys, because as I already said, the most powerful liver cleansing food is coming up in the very end of that video. So let's dive in. Number 5, it makes it in so many of these lists here on that channel. It's garlic, the liver's pungent protector. Yes, that strong smelling garlic in your kitchen is actually a liver loving superfood. In a clinical trial, people with NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, took garlic daily for 12 weeks and it significantly reduced their liver fat and improved their liver enzymes. In fact, ultrasound scans showed less liver fat in the liver and key enzymes. They dropped back to normal levels. How? Well, garlic is rich in allicin and other sulfur compounds that may boost antioxidant defenses and curb fat production in the liver. Essentially, garlic acts as a natural detox and anti-fat agent for your liver. So go ahead, add some extra garlic clove, crush it before, of course, to let the allicin grow, or take aged garlic extract as a supplement. That will definitely be very, very nice for your liver. Anyways, let's go to the next one because we are getting more powerful as we are progressing in that video. And that one is, you will be surprised, fatty fish again. Of course, also grass-fed, grass-finished. People are telling you, especially mainstream medical consensus, that fat increases fatty liver. No, it's not the fat, especially not omega-3 fatty acids, like in fatty fish or grass-fed, grass-finished, pasture-raised lamb meat, for example. But if we are staying ocean, it's things like salmon, sardines, mackerel. Make sure they are wild caught. These oily fishes are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and they are famous for fighting inflammation. So it turns out they also fight fatty liver. Multiple clinical trials showed that omega-3s can reduce liver fat and improve liver health markers. In a meta-analysis of 18 randomized controlled trials, patients who took omega-3 fatty acids, whether it's good high-quality non-oxidized supplement or the whole foods, which I prefer, of course, always. I'm not taking the supplement. I'm eating a lot of omega-3 in my diet, and actually my omega-3 index recently came back and I was above the reference range for that, and that was without any supplementation. They had significantly less liver fat and lower ALT to AST enzymes and a better insulin sensitivity compared to those without any omega-3. The evidence is so strong that experts recommend omega-3s to support a healthy liver. Think of omega-3 like fish oil, greasing the liver's metabolic gears. It helps the liver burn fat rather than store it. For a tasty dose, aim for a couple of servings of fatty fish a week. I'm actually eating it almost daily now in the evening, and then during the day I'm eating my meat. Just do how your body feels, right? Just try to be in tune with your body and listen to it. Now let's go to number 3. Maybe you heard about that one. Chinese people like it a lot. Green tea, antioxidant brew for your liver detox. And well, let's pour some green tea, soothing drink that doubles as liver therapy. Green tea is loaded with catechins, which is an antioxidant that actually helps the liver flush out toxins, and it actually burns off the fat in your liver. Don't just take our word for it. Let's look at this study, at the scientific research, and in a double-blind randomized controlled trial, people with a fatty liver who drank green tea rich in catechins daily for 12 weeks saw major improvements. Liver fat dropped as seen on scans and ALT levels went down significantly compared to the placebo group. Researchers concluded that green tea improved liver fat content and inflammation in NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease patients, likely by reducing oxidative stress. Imagine that sipping a warm cup of tea to give your liver a mini detox. Well, to get the benefits, you may need a few cups per day, actually. So brew some green tea and enjoy the benefits. Number 2. Extra virgin olive oil, liquid gold for your liver. Again, another fat, reducing fat in the liver. Yes, that's how it sometimes works. Moving on, we have this beautiful extra virgin olive oil, a staple in the clinical Mediterranean diet. You know it's great for your heart, but it turns out it's also great for your liver. How do we know? Well, a randomized controlled trial put non-alcoholic fatty liver disease patients on 2 different healthy diets, one with 20 grams of extra virgin olive oil per day and the other one with sunflower oil, a seed oil. After 12 weeks, both groups lost weight, but the olive oil group livers fared much better. Their liver fat grade dropped significantly more than the ones in the sunflower oil group. In fact, olive oil users saw clear improvements on liver scans, suggesting it can alleviate the severity of fatty liver beyond just the effects of diet alone. The secret is likely olive oil's healthy monounsaturated fat and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help the liver shed fat and reduce oxidative stress. So don't fear the fat. Drizzle a little bit of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, single origin, on your salad, on your steak, or wherever, and it might help you a lot. And now, drum roll. Let's get to the most powerful one of them all. Number 1, the one you will love me for mentioning here, and that is coffee, the surprise liver superhero. Well, it's the coffee. Yes, your daily cup of coffee is more than a pick-me-up. It's a lifesaver for your liver. Studies across the board have found that coffee drinkers have much healthier livers than those who skip it. Interesting, right? How much healthier? Well, a meta-analysis of studies found about a 29% lower risk of developing fatty liver in regular coffee drinkers, even among people who already have the liver disease. Those who drink coffee have significantly lower risk of progressing to fibrosis. In plain English, coffee helps prevent liver scarring. Scientists believe coffee's myriad antioxidants and caffeine work together to reduce your inflammation, block fat buildup, and even aid the liver's own detox enzymes. The effect is so striking that liver specialists often recommend coffee to patients actually. Just remember, we are talking plain coffee, black. Loading it up with sugar or pasteurized cream or like some plant milks and these kind of things might counteract some of these benefits actually. But that morning cup of joe, well, it's practically a tonic for your liver. Who knew the ultimate liver cleansing food is actually a beverage loved by so many people? So now let me know, what is the favorite one of them all? I guess it might be coffee, but let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and you watch that very important video. Smash up the like button and we will see each other very soon in the next of Animal Health. And as always, guys, as always, bye.